Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a Nadine West unbagging. I am so glad that you have joined me today to see what is inside this pink package. It's a big one, another big Nadine West shipment. And I'll tell you what I think. I have been with Nadine West for a very long time. And in the beginning, my first bag, I think only had 4 items in it. I kept all 4 items. I have been receiving Nadine West packages twice a month since I started, and I always keep at least one piece. With Nadine West, there is a shipping charge of $9.76, 78 cents, something like that. But that charge is actually credited towards anything that you keep in the bag, so I always look for a way to at least spend that credit. With every Nadine West bag that I get, they just send me more selections. I think that's what's going on here, if you're curious, because I have had viewers say they don't receive as many pieces as I do. Well, I'll tell you, I'm a buyer. I buy from Nadine West almost every single bag I have purchased from, and I think that's key to getting these big bags filled with awesome selections. Do you want to see what's inside my Nadine West? If so, stick around. Here is the first look into the package. Okay, we have, I think this bundle, the invoice. Yeah, they do send a return label. So anything that I don't want, I will just put that label on the same pink package and drop it off at the post office. But here is my first bundle that is coming apart. That's what it looks like. And, ooh, here's something that, I've got things that are not wrapped. I've got, wow. Check, okay, another bundle. This one is gigantic. Okay. Can you see those pink strings? That is jewelry. I think we should start with the jewelry. Okay, look at this. Here is the jewelry, and I haven't even seen it, but looking through these pink bags, I can see it is very colorful. Let's get into it. Oh, cool, cool, cool. This is a layering necklace. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? It's like a teal, turquoise, a green color, I guess. 3 strands. Love it, love it, love it. And I love these colors. Beautiful. Okay, the next piece is a bracelet. And this is a mixed metal bracelet, which I really like. So it's got gold. It's got that dark color too. Silver, bronze. Oh, and it's an elastic bracelet. And those are kind of chevron-like beads. Very nice. I love it. And I'm so excited about the earrings because these look very familiar. Oh, they're a little bit different. Look at these. These are some danglies. There's some flowers in a coral color with some gold beaded accents there. Love them, and I'm not wearing any earrings because I was hoping I would get some cute ones from Nadine West. Oh my goodness, aren't the earrings adorable? I like these a lot. They do kind of clash with my hot pink dress. I got this dress in my last Nadine West shipment. I love it. Okay, there's a lot of clothes here, so I'm going to try everything on. I'll share it with you and give you my feelings at the same time. Stick around. The first thing I tried on is a dress, and this is one of those super soft knit dresses by Zanana Premium. This is a 3/4 length dress, and it's a swing dress. It's got a lot of room and a lot of swing in it. It does have pockets and it has a really nice V-neck. Now, this is a mauve color, which isn't the best color for me, but I do think it worked with the statement necklace. I also tried this dress with a scarf, just a fun scarf for a pop of color close to my face. And I do think if I play with this dress just a little bit, add some color to it, that this dress is perfect. When I put it on, I was actually imagining wearing this in the fall with a pair of boots and of course a pop of color. This dress is called the Avril, and they call this a dusty rose, dusty pink color. It's a blush, and it is $20.99. Like I said, because I was already imagining styling this in different ways. I think this dress is definitely a keeper. Super comfortable, incredibly soft. Okay, next up is a top by DNA Couture. This one, I love the colors of this one. This is ivory and navy, and this is a tab sleeve top. And I have lots of tab sleeve tops, so I'm really not shopping for more, but I love the print. I love the colors and print on this top. It does have a split neck and it has one pocket. These are 3/4 length sleeves because I don't normally use the tabs. I wear them all the way down, and I appreciate that this is not long sleeve. This one is polyester and it is also pretty sheer. So I do have to wear a cami underneath it. I think I didn't try it without a cami because I didn't want to embarrass myself and show you more than you want to see. But yeah, this one's $24.49. I'm definitely keeping it because I love the print and colors. Okay, this one I need some help on, guys. This one they call the Gracie top. And this is in a beautiful lavender color. And this is actually a see-through lace. You can see that in the try-on. I just had my bra underneath. I do think this would look best with a lilac colored cami or even clear bra straps. Now, the thing that's getting me, I like everything about this blouse. I love the flutter sleeves. I think the lace detail on the top and around the collar is absolutely gorgeous. There's a lot of room in it. It's $24.49. I love that. Now, this ribbon detail around the neck, you guys know I'm not a fan of bows, but I do kind of like the contrasting ribbon around the neck. I think it adds a lot of detail, but I don't like the bow. What do you think about the ribbon just hanging? Or is this one of those pieces where I should just cut it? I could cut it and finish it right there, and I would just have a black ribbon right around the neckline. Let me know what you think about this one. I don't know if I like it enough to alter it, but the alteration would be very simple. Yeah, so I'm so curious what you think about this one. I think it's a beautiful color and it's so feminine. I'm leaning towards keeping it. I hope I can get around to fixing it, but I want to hear from you. And another tab sleeve by DNA Couture. This looks black in the camera. It's actually navy blue and all of these roses and a lot of pretty colors. But the one color that really stands out to me is the coral color. It's the Pantone color of the year. I've been collecting coral all spring and summer, and so I do have coral denim that this will match with. The coral earrings look great with this, and this is very, very similar to the other DNA Couture. Exact same cut with the tab sleeve, the 3/4 sleeve, the one pocket in the front, and the split neckline. It is plenty long. It is sheer, so it does need a cami underneath. I should have worn a coral cami underneath this one. I think that would have been marvelous. I really like this one. I have something very, very similar to this. So this is a piece that I could send back because I have something similar. It is not in navy though. I think this one is really well done. I like it a lot. And I always say I don't like tab sleeves, but the tab sleeves are really winners in this bag. Nadine sent me a skirt, and this is a little different from any skirt I've ever received before. This is by the label Freebird, and it's in a wine color. This one buttons all the way up the front. I didn't have any problems with gapping at the buttons, but this is more of a A-line skirt. It does have the slits in the side, and it is an elastic waistband in the back and flat front. Now, I put this on and I wasn't terribly impressed until I started walking around. You guys see it in the try-on. I was falling in love with this in the try-on. Now, this is one that I would style with a t-shirt and tennis shoes. Guys, that's the way I see skirts being worn, very casual, and this one has really nice movement. This skirt is only $23.49. Now, skirts are not really my go-to piece. I have several in my closet, but I don't wear them that often. So I have to think about this one. I did think it was fun to wear when I put it on, but I don't know how much use I would get out of it. This one is polyester, and yeah, it was comfortable, and I like the way it moves. Next up is a t-shirt. This is by Hippie Chick. That is a brand I really am enjoying that Nadine West turned me on to. So this is an ivory color t-shirt. It's very, very thin. It feels incredibly soft. This is the fabrics that Nadine West is famous for. Now the cool thing about this t-shirt is that crochet detail on the sleeves. I think it's beautiful. I think this is just such a nice basic tee with just a little added detail that makes this top a little bit more feminine. It's very thin. That's my only problem with this top. I intentionally did not wear a cami underneath it because let's face it, no one wears a cami under just a basic t-shirt. So I wanted to show you how thin it was, but I also thought that this tee actually styled really well with the next two pieces I'm going to show you. So yeah, here's the tee. This one is $24.49. I'm debating this one. I really like it. If you have any tips or tricks on how to wear this so it doesn't look so see-through, please let me know because I would like to keep it. I like this brand. I just really don't want to show my underclothes. Nadine did send some paper bag waist pants. These are by the brand Active USA. They may look familiar because she sent these in a burgundy color a couple months ago. I absolutely love them. These are in a green, black, and white color, and they're a polyester pant with a really wide leg. These are very, very comfortable to wear. These work for me because they're very generous through the hips and thighs, and the stripes aren't zigzagging all over the place because of my curves. I really like these. These are $21.99, and I am so happy to have them. And I feel like these are a very, very trendy trouser, and that's why I am so happy to pick them up at such a great price. I love these. So happy to have them. And I have another pair of trendy wide leg pants. These are by the brand Shosho. These ones feel absolutely amazing. These are like a stretch knit polyester pant, and they feel so silky on me. They are an elastic waistband, and truthfully, the waist was a little bit tight. I'm not sure about the length on these. These are navy and blue and white. I love the colors. I think it's very fresh for summertime. Let me know what you think about the length. I don't know. I'm just unsure about the fit on these. I mean, honestly, there was a bit of a wedgie going on, so these might be just a little bit too small. I wasn't very comfortable with the length of these either, but if I wore a heel with these or a wedge, something like that, they might look better. These are one that I probably am going to have to play with, style with a few things to decide if I should keep them, but right now I'm kind of, I don't know. I don't know about this one. The last piece of clothing is a t-shirt. This t-shirt is absolutely perfect. It's by Hippie Chick. It is a V-neck. The color is eggplant. But to me, it looks like a burgundy or almost a crimson color. It looks like my college colors to me. But Nadine does call this eggplant. Can you see it? I guess it does have some hues of purple in it. This is super soft. It's extra long, which I do like. It is not clingy. It is not see-through. This is the perfect t-shirt. The price is only $24.49. I think all of the tops in this Nadine West are $24.49. There is nothing in this bag that is over $25. So this subscription service is painless. It will not break the bank if I decide to keep everything in the bag. Let me share the jewelry with you real quick. Okay, the earrings, these are called the Esme. These are in a gold and coral color. I love them. They are in the Pantone color of the year. They're danglies. They're super cute. I love the detail of the little gold beads in the center of them. Yeah, I just think these are perfect for me. I am so happy to receive some jewelry that has some color in it. Next up is the bracelet, the Damaris bracelet in this chevron beads and the multi-metals. Absolutely love it. It's $16.99. Easy to get on and off. And yeah, I love mixed metals. You never have to think about, does it match my earrings when I'm wearing gold, silver, rose gold, anything like that. This will match. I think the jewelry this time is a home run. And the last piece of jewelry is the necklace. This one is called the Trisha Lynn. This is the most expensive thing in the entire bag. This is $24.99. And it looks to me almost like turquoise, but truthfully, it is more of a green color, like a seafoam green. Guys, this is going to match my new handbag. I just purchased a new handbag from one of my other subscription boxes, so this is going to match that perfect. I think this is a lot of fun. I think it's a great statement necklace, perfect for the summertime and to go with my new handbag. So yeah, I'm keeping all of the jewelry this time. I'm very impressed. I'm happy to get some colorful accessories for my outfits. I like the clothing as well. The show pants and the white tee. Those I'm not sure about, and is there anything I can do with the lavender blouse? I would really love to hear your opinions on everything I received in this Nadine West. I always enjoy hearing from you, and I do my very best to answer your comments. So thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for joining me once again for another unboxing, unbagging. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? It really helps me when you take the time to rank my videos, so I appreciate it. I have more fashion, more shoes, more jewelry coming your way. Make sure you're subscribed. Tap the notification so you don't miss anything that happens on this channel. I cannot wait to see you again. Blessings to all of you.